into Las Vegas, where the local time is 7:01.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Avian, and as you can see by the intro, we're in a new location. I'm here in Arizona, and we're supposed to be going with Upland Adventure, but on the way to Upland Adventure, we decided to hit up Zion. So we rented some e-bikes for a quick ride to the Narrows, and we have about 2 hours to go and see what is going on over here. We're setting up our cameras. Paid $35 for the both of us, and let's go and check out these views. And look what we got there. We got Ricky.
Let's see how long this thing stays.
Bike is this? Bikes are fast. Watch your camera. Oh my gosh. I don't know if video and photos could do this justice. Look at these amazing views. Look at this. 360. I don't even need the 360 camera. It's all around. Look at that.
Right? And the camera won't do it justice, I'm sure.
Yeah. Wow, that's pretty. Okay, power off. I don't want you to die on me. Oh, shit. So we would have to come the opposite way, right? If we wanted to do that tour? I don't know. God damn traffic. Ooh, I missed her. All right, so we're all done with the bike riding. Electric bikes is the way to go, especially if you want to cover a lot of ground and also see more. Well, you know, waste less energy.
Yeah,
you had a good time?
It was really easy. We covered a lot of ground in, what, 2 hours?
Yeah.
10 miles?
Yeah.
And we made a lot of stops. It was fun.
We got to soak in the beauty. But now we're off in a rush to go meet Bob with Upland Adventures to go and get a little evening off-road tour. All right, let's hurry up. Alright guys, so we just pulled into Big Water, Arizona. We're here at Upland Adventures and we're about to do this off-roading. Check it out. Right there. The man, the myth, Mr. Bob. And there's some of the fleet. So I'm here to do a tour with Uncharted Society and Upland Adventures. Upland Adventures is here in Big Water, Arizona, next to Page, Arizona. So you can fly directly into Page, but they just don't have a lot of flights. Or you can just go to Vegas and take a nice detour route, 4-hour drive. And it's a beautiful scenic route to this location. Upwater Adventures specializes in off-roading and also Seadoo tours. And when I say Seadoo tours, I mean really some hardcore Seadoo tours. Like if you're into fishing, they provide the Fish Pro and also several nights of camping. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't even know, probably as many as you want and as many as your pockets can afford. You can stay out there for a long time. And they provide everything for you. You just come over here, show up, and bring all your little personal items, and they will provide the camping gear, the cooking, everything that you will need, basically. And you know what? Let me show you. Let me show you real quick. Let's pop it up on the screen what exactly Upland Adventures provides for you on these type of tours. See? Isn't that pretty cool? So you guys are always asking me, how do I do these tours? Well, I'm gonna show you exactly how you yourself can go along on adventures like this. So I'm here with Bob and Chrissy. Chrissy's gonna be taking us out on one of the Xtremes. Where are we going?
We're gonna go to one of my favorite places, Birthday Arch.
It's about 30 miles back and forth or just one way?
Yeah, we're gonna cruise up and have you go through some sandy washes, up into the junipers and the cedar trees and up into the desert. It's an awesome ride on a great machine.
And these things are pretty fast. I've been on one and let me tell you, it's an adrenaline rush.
Enjoy!
Thank you. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Are you ready?
Oh yeah, I better be. Ready or not, here we come.
I'm driving first. We're gonna see. This is an amazing, full of adrenaline tour. I mean, I've been on some tours before, but this is probably one of the best off-roading tours I've ever been on, ever in my life. You guys know I love speed and adrenaline. I just love just anything that's exciting, but I have to hold back just a little bit because I don't want to, you know, wreck it or anything. But Chrissy is an amazing tour guide. She is fast. And look at these views. Look at it. So if you guys ever want to come up here, you have to check out Upland Adventures. They have the Upland Adventures and Upland Adventures. If you want to do the off-roading, man, look at just the video before. Look how amazing it was, right? Full of excitement, and It's not one of your typical putt-putt tours. Look at that. Oh, and look at that. Isn't that crazy? Oh my gosh, I just saw it in a catalog and now I'm seeing it up close and personal. It's so peaceful out here. All right, let's hurry up, get our stuff, and go over there.
My horse is at their house, and I have theirs because theirs is a little wild.
It's Ricky's turn now to fill the beast.
There we go.
There you go. Seatbelt on for safety. Got my oh shit bar, and we're ready to roll. Woo! All right, let's go.
thinks I'm so slow.
Ricky was going a little bit slow at times.
Oh yeah, that was a lot of fun. Thank you. Yeah, with it getting darker, I was just being a little more cautious.
Yeah, I loved it.
How was that?
Amazing.
Yeah.
We got
And rocks all over the place look like this, just plain exciting rocks, right? Then we put them in our polisher, our tumbler, and we just tumble them until they get shiny, and it's really fun. Some of our clients, our guests, when they come in from all over the world, they get to leave with a little Utah rock, and it's kind of fun.
See? And some places don't allow you to even take sand or shells from the beach.
Here we give you rocks. I got one in the tumbler that's coming out. We can even look at it.
Oh, that's what it was. I was wondering what that was going on over there, that red thing.
In fact, we'll open it up. Check it out. So, we grab this. You want to, you can video if you want.
Yep.
So we're going to take the tumbler. Okay, we're going to bring it over here. Like that. Open it up and let's see what it's going to look like. You never know. This has been tumbling for about a month.
What?
Takes about 4 weeks, and we change out the grit from a coarse grit to a medium, then a fine, and then a polish is the last one, and that's what this one is. See that? So then we dump it in here. And we put little plastic pellets in there to protect them from scratching. And then, to reveal it...
Is it on? Oh, wow. Is that one finished in, or is that...
Yeah, this is finished. Sometimes we'll run it in some soap or something. Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty. That is really beautiful.
You get different... That's the polish off of it. There's a green one. And you can feel how smooth they are. See how smooth that is?
Let's see. Oh, yeah.
And just all kinds of. Anyway, it's a fun little hobby.
No, it's a
And-
nice hobby.
Well, this is kind of a cool one. What's really unique about these rocks, they are not from this area. Because everything around here is pretty much sandstone. Navajo sandstone, the Page sandstone, and so these rocks have traveled a long way through rivers or through flash floods, and they come here from the Rocky Mountains, from mountains in the boulders in northern Utah, from Navajo Mountain, and they've taken millions of years to get down to our area, and so we just find them and we make them happy. Yes.
Lake Powell's fed off of the water that comes from like the snow caps and stuff, right?
Yeah, from the Colorado River.
Yeah.
So a lot of these perhaps could come from the Rocky Mountains. They've come, millions of years to get down here, and all the flash floods that we have, there's always new little rocks that turn up, and so we go find them, and we never know what they're going to look like, and then we put them in here and tumble them up, and they're really polished nice, and it's just kind of fun.
Man,
Yeah, you just never know.
the finished product looks beautiful.
Yeah. Anyway,
Yeah.
just a little side thing.
I was wondering what that was. I came to the restroom and I was like, what is that clanking around?
Yeah. Bad for y'all, bad for me.
Let me grab one. I gotta try this Zen water.
The area that we live in.
I'm gonna get cleaned up, shower, dinner, and we will see you guys tomorrow.
Like.
Literally up like.